Well, with regards to the Triple BEE program, njengamanje yenzeka ngendlela le government ayingabhenile usizo ngayo, because initially it was to empower the previously disadvantaged entrepreneurs or business people, so to speak. But now indlela seemingly indlela oza ngayo manje bona ngathi sekubenefitha bona abantu vele ababenefitha previously yabo uhulumeni owedlule uhulumeni ocinezelayo namanje abantu ababenefitha basabenefitha ngendlela efanayo ngenxa ukuthi kunale element le fighting oke wayiphawula
nokabane njengomuntu oshayisibona odila nama companies ahlukahlukene mova isikhathi. You have a wide network of business people. How serious is indaba ye-funding? Because I want you to give me a picture. What is occurring in funding, but how bad is the situation on the ground?
It's really bad on the ground. On the ground, it's really bad because we find out I have a client. We calling by APR, a good successful business. Told tender on a regular basis from the government. Then you ask yourselves, why is the government not buying black? Only to find out check ama document it's a black owned company. Yet umuntu oyoperatayo it's a white man, ne? But there's nothing wrong with that. Inkingi iqala esethini ke lo director lo umuntu omnyama ukuphi? Uzofika khona lo company leyo esebenza naye, yabo. Eksebenzeni kwakhe usenza nomsebenzi ophansi. Yabo.
Hola nje 2000 3000
a minimum wage. That doesn't speak to him being a director. Yabo. So it's really bad. So bathola ngampela behola bona o 3000. For instance, uma industries esikabeni lezi manufacturing. Uzofika naye workshop ezomsebenzi nje o general. Yes, he's the director of the company. Yabo, angithi ngidala isimsha yakhe nebala lakhe, then say ithikithi lokuthi
sabona ukuthi government uzama ukuthi if makuthi uyakuthola company etholakala ukuthi iyafront they're going to be charged 10% of their profits as well as 10% or 10 years of imprisonment or both. And my proposal la qhamukayo kwi BBB council njengoba kade ke benze advisory council rather njengoba kade bebuye ke izindaba ke ye BBBE ukuthi ingashintshwa kanjani khona ke izosebenzela ke abantu bebala noma abantu abamnyama. But sibonile iBBBE iqaleni imanipulate njengoba kade sishinda ngendaba ye-funding because iqaleni initially government was saying na iBBE so sinohlelo lapho uzosihlomula khona abantu ke abamnyama, and still it was manipulated njengoba ke sisho ukuthi kwagcina sekube nama cases e-fronting. Now going forward, searching forward, do you think ukuthi le plan le kahulumeni ukuthi athi 10% of the profit or 10 years imprisonment, do you think ukuthi izosebenza? Do you think companies will take it seriously? Do you think the white people are going to take it seriously? No, bazothi 10% of profits, no, we can get away with fines. You're talking about $1 billion company, exactly. So do you think it is a span and this normal?
It's have to work. 10% is quite a big amount. They can always pay it off, yeah. Keep the 90% to back. But if government is a interventions, once the company participated in the fronting, but fine man, it shouldn't stop there. They regulate to see are they still going to carry on law?
Because they're born about but trade no government.
Exactly. Now by China, if also 10% that's not to the business government, you'll feel the pain along the way as including the business.
But do you think like in the service program is it really a program ezosiza ngempela ama companies abantu abamnyama ona khona futhi kugcina ke igcina abantu like is it been said before ukuthi igcina abantu who are connected politically? Do you think ukuthi izoba na impact ngempela kuma industrialists abantu abamnyama noma nakhona ezogcina manipulator for going forward?
It should have an impact. I believe ukuthi izoba na impact because yama industries it falls under very key strategic sectors of the economy. So if you don't charter it, all the key strategic sectors of the economy should belong to the people or should be run by our own. So the program is really good. It's a implementation stage. You're not really sure how is it going to be rolled out in the near future. But I have a lot of faith in it. No season unemployment. We have to pay retracting the gold manje. So creating more avenues, businesses amasha, our industrial sector. Kuzolekelela kuletho le implement ukuthi noma the recheck lesikhathi enkulu lezi ezitshake eqalayo manje nazo ilekelele ukuthi umuntu le implement ibothi ibisa kanjani.